Hi everyone, welcome back to S.M.V channel creations, your one-stop destination for fun, informative and exciting content. In today's video, I am sharing the top 5 750-watt mixer grinders available under 3,500 Indian rupees, plus a quick look at some other great options. And all these product links are updated in the description and comment section. Number 1. Brand Butterfly. 750-watt motor. Grind and store with extra container. Shockproof abs body. Stylish and durable. Unbreakable dome lid. Transparent polycarbonate. Overload cutoff protection. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 2. Brand Prestige. 750-watt motor. Powerful and efficient. 5 super efficient SS blades. Store and grind in the same jar. Ergonomic handles, strong and durable. Warranty 2 years. Number 3. Brand Preethi. 750-watt Vega W5 motor, 50% faster grinding. Grinds hard ingredients in 2 minutes. Jars with sturdy handles, 5-year motor warranty plus 2-year product guarantee. Lifelong free service, no labor charges. Diamond facet design, stylish and strong. Number 4. Brand Philips. 800-watt motor, lump-free grinding. Micro-grind technology, blades for even for 1 pepper. 3 grinding modes. Coarse, fine, superfine. Clean mode, easy jar cleaning. 3 leak-proof. Warranty, 1 year. Number 5. Brand V-Guard. 750-watt copper motor. 21,000 revolutions per minute for quick grinding. Precision blend blades, long-lasting sharpness. Past 30 minutes grinding test, handles tough masalas easily. Easy and clean detachable blades. Warranty, 3 years motor and 2 years product. Other great brands, brand Voltas. 750-watt motor, 20,000 revolutions per minute. Adjustable speed control, 3 speeds, low noise and overload protection. Safety lock for extra protection. Sleek black finish with plastic and SS build. Warranty, 1 year. Brand Activa. 900-watt powerful motor, fast wet and dry grinding. SS blades sharp and long-lasting. 3 speed settings for versatility. Warranty, 2 years. For latest pricing and more information, check the video description and comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like or share and subscribe to S.M.V channel creations, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. I will be back soon with more exciting and helpful content. Until then, take care and stay safe.